Hello guys, welcome to episode 3 of Survival with Naxi. Today we are building our starter home, which will be a starter castle, and we are going to be building it up at the top of this mountain. Unfortunately, I'm having to do a voiceover the video I recorded because I did this little introduction explaining different things, and apparently the audio didn't work, so I will be just doing a voiceover for this whole video, unfortunately. So what we've been working on is I've already built part of the path to get up to the tower, and right now I'm just showing you the vague outline. I'll do a quick cut into a creative world just to show you the dimensions of the tower, because it's a bit uneven, but basically it's a circle that I've laid on top of the mountain, goes up and down following the contours of the mountain. But yeah, this is the basic outline for what we're gonna do, so here we go. Hey guys, just making a little cut into the video to show you the basic shape of the tower. It's quite a simple design we're going for, but once it's built up it looks really nice. So the way I have done this is you got 3 in a row, then 2 in a row, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 1, and it just carries on until you get your complete circle. And the reason I like this size and shape is because it allows you to put this sort of hash-shaped log construction in the middle, where it leaves these 4 squares, which is very convenient because it allows you to put the stairs in sort of any one of these squares. So say you wanted to go up through the middle, you just create your round stairs like that, and then you'd sort of level off the rest of them to make the platform. Or if you want more space to do things on the floor, you just sort of do half slabs going up and up and up, and this creates like a nice circular staircase for you to go up your tower with, and it makes moving the stairs around the floor really simple. We will be using it in 2 different locations for this tower, one on the edge, and for a few floors it will go to the middle, because we're going to actually bring the tower width in and then back out. But yeah, I'll get... Okay guys, so we've got the basic shape of the tower laid down on the floor now. Next thing we want to do really is to bring all of the walls of the tower up to a point where they're level. What I mean is, like, for example, where I'm building, the ground is very uneven, so you got loads of high bits and low bits. If you just bring it all up to a point where it's all level, it'll make building up the rest of the tower a lot easier. One of the things I'm really liking about this design of the tower is you can build it up in stages. Like, you can do like the first 2 floors and then the next floor. You don't have to rush to complete the whole thing all at once. This will make gathering the resources easier. It'll also mean you can start building it sooner, and use it as your starter house a lot sooner than you would otherwise. And the list of resources used in it is really simple. All we're going to be using for this is Um, sorry about that. Yeah, all we're going to be using for this is stone brick, cobblestone, spruce wood, but any kind of wood would do really. It's just for the floors, but spruce is really easy to get hold of, and it's quite nice looking too as a wood goes. Yeah, so for the first bit, if your ground is also uneven, what I'm doing here is just expanding the outer ring by, like the outer wall by one block. This will allow you to make it look like it's layered. So you've got the the circle where you're building, and then you've got sorry about that. I'm not well at the moment. So you've got the inner ring which you're building up, and then you've got this outer ring which we're going to bring up to the point uh, where where we can level off all of the walls, and this will allow sort of depth to be added quite low down into the tower, and it will also break up any like solid flat walls which get really repetitive and don't look very nice when they're too repetitive. So the next stage is kind of important. It's where you're putting in your first floor, and you'll also be deciding where you want your stairs to be. So for the floor, I I tend to build this hash shape on pretty much every level, and that can be just repeated. And for stairs, in this particular set of stairs, we're starting in this side where where I can get down easily to the rocks below. And then we will be moving where the stairs are higher up the tower, but for this lower part, I feel building on that one side will give us more space for like building sort of a what are we building on this one? I think this one's going to be a map room, for us to have a look at the surrounding area. But yeah, so once we're up a floor, we'll be bringing the stairs in into the middle. So this building does actually get quite repetitive with how you go, because basically all you're doing for a large portion of it is building up to the next floor, putting in the new ground layer, and then just doing the same again.